How to cook Thai fried rice. Thai fried rice, also known as khao pad, is a flavorful and satisfying dish that is popular throughout Thailand and around the world. This dish is made with cooked rice that is stir-fried with a variety of ingredients, including vegetables, protein, and seasonings. In this article, we will explore how to cook Thai fried rice and provide a recipe that you can try at home. Ingredients: 2 cups of cooked jasmine rice, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 onion, diced, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 cup of diced carrots, 1 cup of diced broccoli, 1 cup of diced chicken, tofu or shrimp, optional, 2 eggs, beaten, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. Instructions: cook the jasmine rice according to the package instructions and set aside. In a large skillet or wok, heat the vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Add the diced onion and garlic to the skillet and sauté for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the diced red bell pepper, carrots, and broccoli to the skillet and sauté for 3 to 4 minutes until the vegetables are slightly softened. If using protein, add it to the skillet and cook until fully cooked through. Push the vegetables and protein to one side of the skillet and add the beaten eggs to the other side. Scramble the eggs until fully cooked and then mix them in with the vegetables and protein. Add the cooked jasmine rice to the skillet and stir-fry for a few minutes until the rice is heated through and mix well with the vegetables and protein. In a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, salt, and pepper. Add the sauce to the skillet and stir-fry for an additional 1 to 2 minutes until the rice is coated evenly with the sauce and the flavors are well combined. Remove from heat and garnish with fresh cilantro. Tips for making the perfect Thai fried rice. Use cold, cooked rice. It is best to use rice that has been cooked and cooled in the refrigerator overnight. This helps to ensure that the rice does not become mushy when stir-fried. Use a hot wok or skillet. It is important to use a hot wok or skillet to stir-fry the ingredients quickly and evenly. This helps to ensure that the vegetables and protein are cooked properly and that the rice does not become too mushy. Use the right seasonings. The combination of soy sauce, fish sauce, and oyster sauce provides the perfect balance of salty and umami flavors that are essential to Thai fried rice. Make sure to adjust the seasonings to your taste preference. Customize with your favorite ingredients. Thai fried rice is a versatile dish that can be customized to include your favorite vegetables and protein. Consider adding diced pineapple, cashews, or green onions for added flavor and texture. Add the sauce at the end. Adding the sauce at the end of the cooking process helps to ensure that the rice does not become too wet or mushy. Use high-quality ingredients. Use high-quality ingredients, such as fresh vegetables and protein, to ensure that your Thai fried rice is flavorful and satisfying. In conclusion, Thai fried rice is a delicious and versatile dish that is easy to make at home. With the right ingredients and technique, you can create a flavorful and satisfying meal that is sure to impress.